Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the key part section of a Buick lacrosse key fob. Many times you can damage the fob, but the key section is still good. Many dealerships will charge you to reprogram the fob and then an extra fee to recut your old key design into the new fob. That doesn't have to always be the case if you still have the old cut key. The items you will need will be a small nail, a pair of pliers, and something to lay your fob on. In this case, I'm using a wooden cutting board. Now, the way I found the easiest way to do this is, as you can see, it flips out. There's nothing on it. You bend it in. There's your screw hole. If any of you have ever changed a watch or made links on your watch smaller, it's similar to that idea. Take the old one, slip it in there to keep it from flipping back in. Lay the fob over, take your nail, put it on the hole, or the screw basically, and give it a slight tap. As you can see, it starts to come out. Like I said, similar to a watch. Give it a few more taps. It comes out enough for you to grab it with the pliers. And there you go. There's your pin. Slide the old key out. Keep pressure so that this doesn't flip back in. You will not be able to, well, you'll be able to get it out, but it'll be a little harder. Slide your old one back in. As you can see, take the new one. Once again, pick up your old one. Slide it back in. Be careful, as you can see, that's kind of tricky. You want to push it back in gently. Give it a slight tap with the nail. Once it's flush, you can remove it. Voila. You now have your new, well, old cut in your new fob. This one now can be kept for later if you need it, but probably not. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you can just get a key fob reprogrammed and then put your old cut key back into it. All right? Thank you very much, and I hope this helps. Goodbye.